Hi guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing a product review / demo for you all. So here I have the item, and this one is not for an adult, this one is for a kid. So I'm really excited to share this one with you all. Let me just open up this bubble wrap packaging. So guys, what we have here is an activity cube. On this side we have a puzzle where you move the pieces around. So it's like a puzzle tree. Here we have beads where they can count. On this side we have these wheels. Now all these little gadgets help develop their fine motor skills and their gross motor skills. On this side we have a clock. And on this side we have numbers with the corresponding amount for that number. So 4, you'll see 4 pails. 5, you'll see 5 alien spaceships, and so on. And on this side we have a square, a circle, and a triangle, and these are holes. So I'm going to put my hand inside, and this top piece comes out. And here we also have some gadgets that comes with it, and this looks like a fishing rod, so you can go fishing. 2 fishing rods. Look, how cool is this? Wow, this is really cool, guys. I had one for my son, but this has more things. So we do have that 2 wooden fishing rod. We have 3 colored cubes, the circle, the triangle, and the square. Then we have the magnetic wooden fish, which are these here. So these are your fishes that you would put in here, and then they would go fishing. And then we have flight chess, 1 pack, which are these little things here. And to use these chess, or Ludo I would call it, you turn this upside down, and on the back of the activity cube we have that play area where you would use to play. So you turn this upside down like this so you can play. So we have start, so it's just like Ludo. It is Ludo. Look guys, it is Ludo. So we have red, green, yellow, and blue. How many of you remember playing this game? I used to love to play Ludo. I'm sure a lot of you all probably would have too. This brings back so many memories. It's a nice, good size activity cube. It's not huge. Look, that's the size of it, right? But it's packed with tons of things for a baby. Okay, and how they would use this side with the triangle, the square, and the circle, they have to learn to figure out what fits in what. Like a triangle will not fit in a circle, a triangle will not fit in a square, it will only fit in the triangle spot. So that's for that. And then here are the fishes. Let's throw a few in here. And then they would take this, and when they go fishing they would catch a fish. How cool is that? And if they're playing with their friends, because you got 2, you would want to see who could catch the most amount of fishes. This is so cool. I like this. So guys, what I like about this is at the back of the fishes, it tells you what type of fish it is. So we have like a balloon fish, a pearl gourmet, we have a crab, so the kids can learn the types of fishes they're catching. Now for this piece here, now this is really cool, and this is something that all kids like to play with. This fits right here. You're not going to screw it into place, hence the reason why we have the Ludo at the bottom. Because when they're ready to play Ludo, this is easy to flip over into place like that. Then you flip it over, and then they can play their Ludo on the top here. So let me just turn this back over. This goes like this. So with this top part, it helps them develop their fine motor skills. It helps them to take their fingers and move these objects along the winding wire. So guys, what do you all think about this? This is a really exceptional activity cube. I am definitely going to be giving this to my nephew, and I'm really excited about it. I know he's gonna love it, and I have to hide it from my son because I'm sure my son is gonna like it too. So if you guys have a baby, or you need a gift for a baby or a toddler, definitely consider getting them an activity cube, especially one with a lot of activities like this. So guys, if you all enjoyed today's review for this product and you're interested in this product, please click that little down arrow next to the name of this video. The description box will open up where you will find the link that you'll need to click on to purchase this. Please click on that link to find up-to-date pricing for this item. So guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!